Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to play any game in full screen mode on your PC, on your Windows. So just watch and follow this video till the end. For example, we will open Roblox and we will try to play a game. For example, we will play this game. So as you can see right now, when I am in the game and right now I'm playing, it's not showing me the full screen as you can see. So how to make full screen? I will just come to my keyboard and click on F11, and as you can see right now it's on full screen. If I click on F11 again, I will disable full screen and I will see my window bar. That's all in this video guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe, and bye.